A for Argentina. B for Belgium. C for Canada. D for Denmark. E for Egypt. F for France. G for Germany. H for Hungary. I for India. J for Japan. K for Kenya. L for Lebanon. M for Malaysia. N for New Zealand. O for Oman. P for Philippines. Q for Qatar. R for Russia. S for Singapore. T for Thailand. U for USA. V for Vietnam. W for Wales. X for Zion. Y for Yemen. Z for Zimbabwe. Thank you all.